It's your bike.
It's my bike, dog. It's my bike right here. Finished it up. About ready to take it for a test drive. Got a little oil leak in it. Yeah. I gotta clean it up, you know. Alright, I'm taking full spin. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. That's how we roll. You ain't seen nothing yet. I gotta fix this oil leak. Then you'll see a clean driveway. Lord, me, man, once you see all that shit going. Damn, I gotta figure out why it's doing that.